We're heading now to the beach. And yeah. Here's my mom. And
Hi, ma'am. Ma'am, sa oras mabot ng barut-barut.
naanak ka ng yellow, waiting mo.
Pila, ma'am?
31 wala ka magpa-concert mo, 54, save mo pa rin.
Ma'am, sa alas.
9:30, ma'am.
Ang last na, 9:30.
9:30 pa.
So, kung kuhaan, ma'am, kung two-way, ma'am, pilay two-way, ma'am?
54 each na lang. Third na mo size.
We need to go home.
But for me, I don't want to go.
We need to purchase. We need to purchase her book for her to sell tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am. So that yellow one?
Yeah, one way is 38 and two way is 54. So we purchase the two way 54.
Okay.
So let's go. Let's
Because
go
we can
to
save 6
Olango.
pesos. We go to Olango.
Olango Island.
Yeah.
Olango Island and this is Santa Rosa. That's what we're going to take.
Okay.
Boss, pila ka minuto, boss? Para Olango, boss?
12.
12 minutes, ha?
Thank you.
But we can find out what we can do here in this island. I know there's a sanctuary here and biking and all this stuff. Okay, let's go. Get this bicycle and get this bike. This blue. Boss, kapilaan yung bike, boss. Abang.
20 ang oras, no?
Saan itong kauban? Turo di ay. Gyro! Okay, let's go. Let's go to Marine Sanctuary. We're going to Marine Sanctuary. And we just only go bike.
Yeah, this is adventure.
It's another bike station also that you can rent. And this is really straight on the way to Sanctuary. Kaya sa yung move dyan, kaya nag-video ko.
Welcome to Olango Island Wildlife Sanctuary. I'm really excited though. We're really excited to go. The entire camp. It's the entire camp, you guys.
What's this?
It's a Taytayan camp, island adventure.
Can you please say some of the phrases there?
Oh,
Phrases there, oh.
Lord, kung dili mo sa ihatag na ko, ihatag na lang ko niya.
That's all.
Kung alamit, pas kinilang kay, yung buong putik ka na ikaw rin makakilaw.
Lalo. Yawan. Masa pala ka na siya?
Ikaw nga di, reply dili ikaw ang kalipay.
Okay. Napos eh, busy alas eh. Kita na, ika lang. Kanang,
I love the tent.
no, this one ba?
Wait. Ay, naduyan.
Taytayan camp. So if you want to have this kind of a trip, there's biking
With friends,
and tent. Yeah.
Biking,
So there are activity
kayaking.
options: biking, camping, kayaking, paddleboat, night fishing,
Oh, there's
volleyball,
and
and massage.
Maybe we go here and we have friends.
Nice.
Available.
I like where their house positioned, like this, and then you're facing with this. It's beautiful. This is their nature. You alright?
Yes, I'm really fine. Thank you. Down there?
Here, jud kaayo dahi. Grabe. So we're in Olango and that's Lapu-Lapu City.
Take pictures there. Ang stage.
Hi, oh, ana, hi Jude. Wapa ni mga bata sa Olango. Kanang langga. Nagpa-color kasi mong hair? Ikaw. Kaya nga nila jud kay mong mga hair, no? Nawa yang hair. Paduol ko nun ako gamay lang gabi. Mata ko sa mong hair. Kira mo gud lapu-lapu ra mangugugod. Oh. Diba? She's so pretty.
Alam mo kita.
Oh, dali oh, tara oh. Oh, kani gwapa kay sila, mga gwapa, mga natural beauty. Mga natural ang mga highlights. Yes, these are the locals of Olango, the beautiful girl. This is their playground. Imagine mo, pa-reach nila. This is their playground. They have natural highlights of their hair that comes from the sun. And they have beautiful sun-tan skin. And this is their playground. They're really into nature. It's beautiful. This is their playground. This is the rides.
Period.
This is one of the rides. It's one of the rides. You have to look at them. They're having fun. Alright. Kira ka daday?
Yes, ma'am.
Ha? Bisaya manguna sila. Taga-open.
Language.
Open man ni sila. Taga-open man mo no. Lapu-lapu man ni sila. Langgo lang. Nila hi. Hi. Yung mga gwapa nila eh. Dili sakit tiil? Dili sakit inyong tiil? Dili asahan nilang tiil. Dingaw kayo ng duwa.
Sige daw.
Nangyari sa ko sa una. Yan sa bisikleta kong una. Uy, kami yung bisikleta.
Mag-bike.
Say hi.
Hi.
Kasi sa on hangok. Asa inyo adapit? Sa nabaray ta. Kanyang tulo. Joke, right?
Mata ko ba sila makauna ba?
Love it. Love it. So you think we're just only the riders here? There's also a group of riders there at the back. So we're just only a manual driver of Sikat. Anywho, this is... ay, naku, ginoko. Mahulog eh. Actually, we're just only looking for a cardio activity here. That's why we end up here in Olango Island. beautiful. All the way, we're going to bird sanctuary. At the end of this road, we'll end up in bird sanctuary of Olango Island. So let's keep going. Bye for now. We just reached to San Vicente Marine Sanctuary. Going there. Okay, you move ahead. I'll follow you. It's a massage area if you want to have a massage here. Very relaxing. So we're here. Entrance will be 30 and 5 pesos for parking. So we only pay for the entrance of 70 for the tour bus. Alright. Could you also offer milk tea and more? Let's go, Joe. So, say something with this entrance. Wooden bridge. Receiving area.
Yeah.
It's nice, so relaxing. Go ahead, Joe.
The voice of nature.
You can hear from here. This is like the boardwalk but made of bamboo wood. This boardwalk is made up of light materials, so let's be careful. So if you want to hear the nature, just come and visit Olango Island. Yeah, picturean ta ka dyan, eh. So beautiful. So relaxing.
Yeah, the sounds of nature.
You go there, just sit down there. But be careful, there's a bee, huh? Sit down there. But be careful, huh? This is also waiting area. Relaxing, it's nice to read books here. And if you like to go for a ride, there's someone waiting for you here. You can hear the bubbles of the fish in the water. I can't imagine. Kuan, there's a name there. It's mangrove. There's even a snake here.
Oh my god, this scared me though.
Yeah, frog is just nothing. Snake is just like nothing. This is the place. But you just,
Oh my god.
this is the place. What do you think?
That's why it's pretty. But like,
There, oh. It's a snake. The snake, there's anaconda here. Yeah, they love this place.
Oh,
Well,
it's a crocodile.
yeah, it's a crocodile.
Oh, this
My God, this is very long, long bridge.
I recently watched Anaconda and then I'm here. Oh my god.
So this is very long way to walk.
I recently watched Anaconda.
It is a long bridge. Careful sa imong steps siya. Because this is from Olango to Lapu-Lapu Island. This is like the fourth bridge. So there's a going up. Oh my God, look at this. And we have to cross this from here. And we have to go there all the way there. But be careful. Because we aim for that one there at the very end.
Come on.
Hinay siya. Don't move siya. No, don't move.
Hi.
Hi daw. No, this is the one.
Can I go?
Yeah.
I'm a Dora now.
You're a Dora rat. You're a Dora rat. Yay! We see Lapu-Lapu Island.
Where's the Lapu-Lapu Island?
Yeah. And so it's a long walk. Stop there. Stop there. Give me a moment. Stop there. Give me a moment. So this is her view at the back.
No, guys, you can tell that it's really beautiful.
It is really beautiful. Like beautiful because no one is here. Just only Jaren and I. And she's not scared. She's a strong girl. She loves adventure like me, don't you? So it's a long walk. So we have to end and go at the very end. So let's do it faster. Yeah, you really want to go there at the very end? Like almost we reach Lapu-Lapu city. Do you really want to go there? Wow, I think that's so deep there. Let's go. Let's move ahead. You heard it. That's why I love my plants. I'm just here to aim nature and do these paths. It's like the same like your place. It's a home sweet home. So yeah, this is at
Wildlife.
wala na siya. Pagtarong dia, day nag-vlog biya ka day.
Hi, guys.
Tarong day. Inait pa yo. Okay, naglisod ko. Hi! How are you, sweetie pie? Doon siyang Jaren. Say, go ahead. Scared, mas scary. May ikagnaw ano niya. Ikaw, magagamay ano niya.
Oh, dude. Okay, shall we do the Olango Wildlife Sanctuary?
Hey, where you going? Listen to her.
This is my first time. That place, but I'm going.
What's inside of that? And you're that's bird sanctuary.
Okay, yeah. Oh my god. It's wildlife mode. They said good wildlife.
Hey, where's the toy?
It's not just a bird.
Ano ko, hey, where's the toy? Itoy. Baka mag-itoy.
So, come on now. Just take the lead.
Yeah, you bet. I'll go ahead.
I want to eat first, you guys. I have baon.
Yung baon ka, lechon. Dito yung fried chicken, yung tag 15. Hindi pala, ako simbaon din.
Here. Ta-da!
Charan! Manok ni San Pedro.
Come on, dude.
Let's go, let's go. You're just thinking about it. You're just thinking of food.
I'm gonna take that.
Hey, let's go.